What's up, Amazon KDP booksellers? Ike Paz with another powerful tool to help you on your Amazon KDP book selling journey. Okay, so check this out. Here I am on Toolshelf, again, 100% free Amazon KDP suite of software tools, okay, to help you. And today we're talking about the description helper, okay? So we have some book types here: logbook, coloring book, kid story, puzzle book, journal, notebook, planner, cookbook, guest book, graph paper. Okay, so we have a mixture of mid content, low content, and high content. So for the let's do coloring book. Why not? Book title: Unicorn Coloring Book. Oh, let's put something else. Let's put Stained Glass Gnome Coloring Book. This is an example I keep on coming to. Stained Glass Gnome Coloring Book. Okay, and we have call to action. Now, if you don't know what a call to action is, at the end of any sales copy or video sales letter, or sorry, video sales, you have the person having you act upon what you've learned. So you read through the sales copy, you watch the sales video, or you read the description, and then at the very end, get it today, access now, scroll up and buy, for example, right? They're having you act, they're having you do something. Okay, that's a very important part of writing sales copy, is a powerful call to action. Okay, so we're gonna stick with what we have. We have scroll up and buy, perfect gift, don't wait, add to cart. Again, this is just like a rough template, okay? And the tone and style of the description. We have standard balance, exciting hype, relaxed and calm, professional, formal. Let's go with exciting hype. I also want you to take note of this HTML area. Amazon KDP, when listing your book, you can actually add HTML into the description box, and it's going to appear with all not the graphics, but with all the accents and highlights that HTML provides to your description. So let's push this button here, auto generate description, and it has unleash your creativity with the ultimate stained glass gnome coloring book. Let's swap this out. So I like it. It's nothing wrong with this, but again, this is more like a guide. I don't want you to just copy and paste it as is. I want you to work with it, right? So let your creativity run wild with this stained glass gnome coloring book. Really good. We have that at the top. And then warning, highly addictive fun, dive into the world of relaxation and color. The stained glass gnome coloring book is designed for both beginners and experts. Okay, so what you want to do is separate the paragraphs, and let's remove this and put in a different call to action. Let's put in get it today, like that. Okay, and work with it. Change the different aspects of the description. Make sure that it fits with what your book's about. 50 unique, high-quality illustrations. Well, if you don't have 50 illustrations, don't make sure it's not 50, right? You want to fix it up. Let's put in, I don't know, 70. Let's say it's 75. Why not? Single-sided pages prevent bleed-through. Very important, okay? You can add bullets if you want. Perfect for stress relief and mindfulness. That's a good one. Most coloring books do that. If it's for kids, your kids will love it, will love this fun activity, like that. Okay, very good. As you can see, it populates this area right here. Okay, and of course, run through the description, make sure it fits what your book's about, whatever the book may be. Once you're done, you open up Amazon KDP, and when you're listing your book, you can just drop it there, okay? Now, descriptions are really important. Why? Well, there's two really important reasons why. Number one, it sells your book, right? So your book cover gets people through the door, and once they're on your listing, once they click on over and they see your description, that's going to help them. That's going to help convert the traffic into actual buyers, which means royalties for you. That's the most important thing, right? Second, now if you know anything about Amazon KDP, the description does not influence your SEO rankings on Amazon. However, Google does crawl Amazon, and your description and the SEO within your description does influence you, or sorry, I should say your listing appearing on the search engines for Google, for example, for those specific queries. So if people on Google are searching stained glass coloring book, and your title, subtitle, and your description has these words in it, and again, Amazon is a powerful website, so it commands a lot of authority. There's a good possibility your listing will rank on Google. Now, if it ranks on Amazon, depends on different factors. It depends on your CTR for your book cover, and Amazon's always going to test new books against more established books within a query, within a keyword, right? Because they want the best possible book to perform. Because remember, Amazon makes money when you make money, right? And vice versa, right? When it comes to your listing, right? So it's really important to remember that, right? So if your book outperforms another book, your book within Amazon is going to increase in rankings, and if it can hold that spot, and get good reviews, and it maintains that stability where people are clicking on through and purchasing your book over other people's books within that same market, then that's great news, right? So that's what you want. That's ideally what you want. So that's how you use the description helper. If you want me to add some more features to this, let me know, and I'll happily do so. Okay, you have a great day. Be good. Take care, and have a wonderful day. I'm repeating myself. Okay, ciao.